Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to find and use filters on TikTok. TikTok provides its users with a huge variety of filters to make their videos look more attractive. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can find all TikTok filters. Log into TikTok, press on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Record a video by hitting the button or upload the one from your camera roll by clicking on the gallery icon. After that, find the filters icon on the right and tap it. Now you can see 4 filters categories like portrait, landscape, food, and vibe. So choose the filter you like. Use the slider that appears on the screen in order to set the filter's intensity. Once the filter is selected, click somewhere on the screen. Also, you can edit your video by adding sounds, inserting stickers, or writing something. When you're happy with your video, hit the next button. The only thing left to do is to upload your video, so simply press on the post button. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to find and use filters on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.